Hey, welcome to the channel. This is TQFM Trading Strategies. I trade stocks and options, make videos about it, and to help you take your own trading and investing to the next level. So that sounds cool. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, and check out the rest of them. So today we're going to be looking at a strategy utilizing 3 RSI in a sort of waveform function. This will allow us to look at trends, support and resistance, and make all sorts of trades, long and short. Okay, so in this video, we're going to break apart the strategy, how it works, talk about the indicators involved, the settings for those indicators. They're all free and available for anyone to use, so you can set it up yourself, follow along. Then we're going to run a bunch of tests on the strategy to see how it performs using the historical market data, all in an effort to better understand the market to make us all better traders and investors. So let's go ahead and start off with how the strategy works. So this strategy works, well, it's kind of simple to see in this couple of setups. You run a series of RSI with stacking lengths. When the faster length RSI crosses over the two slower ones and holds it, it's going to show you that trend is building in that direction. When it's reciprocating back and forth, this shows you how price is behaving inside of a range when they all get stacked up and tight like that, meaning that it's all over these last couple of time frames, it's all within the same blocks. So it's more of a square market than a line, if that makes sense. Square market, all bunched up, line, all spread out. So two kinds of markets you can have, either a consolidating one, or it's a box, or a line, or it's a line. So this is how we're going to set up these RSIs to understand what we're looking at. The fast one is going to be your standard setting, and just keep it at 14. The second one is going to be about twice as long, about 30. And the third one is going to be twice as long as that, so about 60. That gives us this triple RSI setup. So the trades themselves, in a ranging environment, you can see that the RSIs are not making any higher lows or higher highs or higher lows, and reciprocating around the middle. So what you can do here is, as long as it's not breaking out above the top or below the bottom, you can trade it back towards the middle, if that makes sense. So if it comes up, you can trade that back towards this middle line here. It goes down below it, you can trade it back towards the midline. It goes up, you can trade it back towards the midline. It goes down, you can trade it back towards the midline. Until it breaks one side or the other. See how it's broken out of this range right here. At that point, you're going to probably, or if you haven't already, you want to switch to more trend trading. Trend trading with the triple RSI is waiting for it to cross below here, and you can take a position and you can hold it until it gets all the way back out, or take it any time you have profit in here. Same thing on the upside. It crosses up, take a trade, and you can take it at any point in here that you like, or when it crosses back over down here. And then going the other way, you can take a trade anywhere in here, and you can sell it in here, or when it crosses back over. That'd be kind of a tough trade. It's kind of scratch if you wait for it to cross back over. It just gets back into consolidating there. But if it goes from trend to consolidating and you're still in the trend trade, just wait for it to chop back down to where you consolidating for you, right? So with all that being said, let's hop back into some back testing and run a bunch of trades and see how it performs. You can see some good sample trades there. You see this one coming here, breaking down below, and take it anywhere in there. You can sell these, put a stop up there, and you can ride all the way down. It's a nice 6 or more risk to reward ratio trade there. It comes up on the upside here, breaks back above there, and buy that. Stop at the bottom, and trade all the way up there. Until it breaks back down there, and you're about flat. You have all that time there to take your trade off and make profit. Comes up here, breaks above there, and bottom there, and then you got all this. And if you're not up by there, you kind of messed up. And it's another great trade. See this guy here, it comes, breaks up there. Take that to the bottom of there, and right there. Look at that. A short trade here. Anywhere in there. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that and you learned something about the markets. That'll help you become a better trader and investor in your own activities. And with, with all that being said, I hope you have a great night, and I'll catch you later. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and, yeah, bye.